Hey, check it out. Hello everyone. So in the last month, Buyer Kingdom made $520 per day from eBay. That's roughly $16,000 a month in revenue. And you might have heard that eBay dropshipping is dead and it won't be worth it to do it in 2024. It doesn't seem to be dead for Buyer.Kingdom. And today we will see if that's true. We're going hands-on setting up an eBay store from scratch. And by the end, you will have a clear plan for eBay dropshipping in 2024. And if you're dedicated, you can earn just like Buyer.Kingdom. All right, so let's dive in. I'm going to share my screen and we will create an eBay store from scratch and also peek into Buyer.Kingdom's strategy. Okay, so let's check out Buyer.Kingdom's earnings from the last 2 weeks. I'm here 7 days, okay? So he sold 197 items in the last 7 days, making this sale earnings of $5,311, which means he's making $758 daily during this last week. And the best part that you can manage to do the same from anywhere in the world. So now that you have seen the potential, let's start your eBay store. I'm gonna guide you step by step, and by the end you will have a store ready to earn, okay? And we're not just talking, we are actually doing this. Are you ready? So let's do it. So the first step is to go to ebay.com. And on ebay.com, you click sign up. You see this page here, create an account. Now, if you're new, you can list up to 250 items for free. And as you grow, there are different plans based on how many items you list. And you can also start selling from your personal account if you already have one. So before listing, we need a catchy store name. Let's brainstorm it. We want a catchy name, something that suggests like variety, for example, if you're planning on drop shipping. How do you do that? You don't have to spend hours on it. Go to ChatGPT and write this. Can you suggest 10 names for a catchy eBay store? I will be drop shipping and selling all types of products, and then you click enter. Oh wow, okay, so you have 10 names right here. From all of these, what I like most is Ecom Empire Hub. So let's go with it. Once you have the name, you have to make sure that it's available on ebay.com, right? So you click here and add a profile, and then what's gonna happen is like this. It's gonna show you here to change your username, visit account settings. And if you haven't done that yet, if it's your first time, it's gonna ask you to confirm your address and details, okay? So you go here and then it's going to show you this information provider contact info. You fill that up, and after that it's going to see here username. So we place the name here, Ecom Empire Hub, and let's see if it's available now. Okay, we just changed here the name. Okay, that's good. Now we have a store name ready. Now let's just finish setting up our eBay account. I also recommend creating a dedicated Gmail account for this. So you go to gmail.com and then you let's create together an email for this. And now here's the tricky. Let's see if it's available, this name, Ecom Empire Hub. Oh no, it's not. Okay, so this name is taken for Gmail. What's the problem here? There is no problem. What you can do is .store. Normally it works. Let's check it out. It worked. Okay, and then you finish setting up, and to update your email, go here, account settings, and then you click here personal information, and down here you click contact info, and then you add it. Okay, and then you add the new email. Okay, save, and then you just have to confirm with the security code right here like this. You come back here, boom, and verify, and then you have an email address verified, ready to go. And now once your account is set, you can customize your store. You can add a logo, a customized logo, and you can create this logo using Canva. It's a free tool. Check it out. Let's do it together. So you go to canva.com and then you type here eBay store logo like this, and then it's going to give you many free samples right here, free templates, and then you choose one. For example, I like this one right here, and then you customize, and then you add our store name like this. But there's one catch here. I don't really like this part at the bottom, so you basically just copy here, paste, go down here, make it even, and then you just substitute ecom for hub like this. Okay, and then you can even bring it closer, ecom to empire like this, and now it's clean and good to go. And then you export and save to your eBay store like this, and then you go to store, edit profile, and then edit picture right here like this, you open, and there you have it. Okay, Ecom Empire Hub, you save that. Now there is the about part here, which is very important. And now you don't have to think too much for it. Go to ChatGPT and ask this question: can you write me a short and to the point store description for my eBay store? I drop ship and sell different types of products in different niches. Then you come here, paste it, boom, save it, and that's it. You're good to go. Okay, now let's go for the exciting part, finding items to sell. And we're gonna see what's hot, what buyer.kingdom right here, our friend, is selling and finding similar items. But first, we need some tools. And right here, I'm talking about ZIK Analytics for product research and AutoDS for listing. So let's move here to ZIK Analytics. Like this, I'm already seeing all the products that Buyer Kingdom is selling. Check it out. But it's much more than this. This tool actually shows what's trending, who's selling well, and more. And we're gonna start by checking products from top suppliers like Amazon, just as Buyer.Kingdom does in other competitors. Now, the tip is to focus on items that sell often. So you have to aim for products with at least 2 sales a week or 5 sales a month. And then you're gonna see the market insights tool, and then you just customize right here what's for you. I'm selling eBay, I'm drop shipping, and I'm sourcing from. Could be AliExpress, could be Amazon, for example, okay? And then you're gonna see all the trending eBay products of the last 7 days down here. Okay, so all these products are trending. And then here on the left side, you have the trending eBay niches. Okay, you can explore niches and find hot products. And at the bottom, you have trending drop shippers. Are the trending drop shippers from the last 30 days? And then you can simply scan them and see their products and snipe their products. As you can see here in the calendar, United States, for example, the Halloween is on the 31st. It's 7 days till now. Of course, as I'm recording this, it's just too late to list products from Halloween, but ZIK Analytics has this calendar which helps you with upcoming holidays and events and shows you trending keywords for the next holiday. So for example, you know, after you do have like Christmas, 60 days until Christmas. So this is a good time to start listing products for Christmas. And then you go down here, Christmas decoration, Bluetooth speaker and outdoor Christmas decoration, and so on. So right now, since we are 62 days until Christmas, I would actually start listing products for Christmas on my store. And this is just one way to do it. Or we can go back to our competitor, since we're looking at him right here. We go to Buyer Kingdom, then you can come here and simply snipe his products, get all the products that have been selling well. Like for example here, 10 times in the last 30 days, this USB Type-C cable, and list to your store. And then you just optimize the title a little bit, which I'll show you soon, and list to your store. But I'm gonna go back here because now this is an opportunity that ZIK Analytics is showing me. We have 62 days to Christmas, and I would start listing these items right here that have demand for Christmas. Another way to do it is to start listing all these trending eBay products right here. All these products, you know, you can snipe them and place them to your store as well. But I know Q4 is a good opportunity to sell products, and with Q4 comes Christmas. So let's, for example, look for Christmas decorations here in ZIK Analytics product research tool with a simple click like I did, and then we're going to see products with high demand. Okay, so all these products right here, check it out. You can filter here, I just want drop shippers, and these are all drop shippers. And then you can look down to these products right here and add to your store. So let's, for example, look at this first product here. Okay, it's this heart-shaped bookshelf. You click here in the item finder, and ZIK Analytics will find exact same product for you. And with a simple click, you see here that you have $1.20 of profit. You can add this to your folder like this and save it, okay, like this, and then you can work on it later. And then you do this a few times. But now, you know, a profit of $1.20, it's not so much. It's for more traffic products, all right? Because in the beginning, you don't have to worry too much about profits. The idea here is to make sales, okay, make sales, which leads me to another strategy, which is you can start buying really cheap items on eBay, auction items like earrings and things like this for, you know, 10 cents and so on, because you buy those and then you ask the sellers to give you feedback, which will give you which will start giving you here like the feedbacks and numbers like this, okay, right here with the star. And then the person that comes to your store, they don't really know if you sold 20 items or you bought 20 items for 10 cents with a good feedback, okay? But this is another strategy. Let's go back to the market insights tool, because right here it shows you all these products that are selling like crazy. So for example, you come here, you see this product right here and has 7 sales in the last 7 days. And look, check out the profit. With Item Finder, you come here and you do the same, all right? You go to your folder Amazon and you save this, all right? And then you can also just scan this seller and get all the good products that this seller has, okay? So this is how you can start listing nice, profitable products to your store. So let's work with this product. What do you do after you find the product? You start listing. And listing items is an art, my friend. So a good title can make a huge difference. Think of it as a storefront of your shop. So let's get this item right here that we just saved and go with it, and let's optimize our product titles. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I just want to show you that your products are saved here in my products, and then the folder that you saved, which is this one, for example, you can see both items that I added. But now let's talk about the titles, because we need to optimize the titles. And you click here, title builder. So the secret is to choose 1 or 2 keywords that describe the item. For example, let's go here, this product, you click on the competitor. So it's a money bend currency straps. So it's a currency straps, right? And then you go to the title builder, you type here, and then you're going to see 2 columns, the long tail keyword ideas and the generic keyword ideas, okay? And the trick is you go to your competitor right here, and then you copy the title, you paste on the title builder like this, and then you start taking unnecessary keywords, and then you add keywords that have demand. All right, so now with our title ready, we can list this item to our eBay store using AutoDS. You come here, all right, and you click here, upload selected. Now, right here, you're gonna see AutoDS as a lister. You choose the store. Our store is here, Acom Empire Hub, eBay Marketplace, ebay.com, title source, eBay. Don't worry, we'll change the title with our optimized title on AutoDS, and then you just upload item right here, okay? Then you go to AutoDS and make sure you already connect your eBay store to AutoDS, and then it's gonna show up here in drafts. All right, so our product is here, and then you click down here, and then you paste our title. Our optimized title is this one. We change here, and then you save and import, okay? And then like this, your product will be listed directly to your eBay store, and then you take it from there. So back in AutoDS, you finalize your listings. Now, if you're new, remember that you have to set up shipping and return policies correctly, okay? We have another video just on how to do that. It's gonna be up here somewhere. Now, this is just the beginning, because to succeed, you need to be consistent. You need to add new items, provide excellent customer support, and stay updated, okay? Consistency is the key right here. So initially, eBay might limit your listings, but this increases over time. So you have to add items, more and more items, and don't hesitate to call eBay to increase your limits after a while. Also, use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your friend, especially if English isn't your first language. And also consider using eBay's promoter listings, because it can boost your items' visibility, help you making more sales. So thank you so much for joining me today. And if you found this guide useful, hit the like button, okay? Let's make eBay dropshipping a success in 2024. Keep moving forward, and see you next time.